Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. Now before we get started, we will need a cable that you use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer. And from there, once you have that ready, simply hold the power key and select power off. Once the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold volume up. So while holding volume up, you're going to plug it in. And you want to keep holding volume up till you see recovery mode. And there we go. So from here, unplug the cable, it's not needed anymore. And select the second option using volume keys, so volume down to bootloader, and then press power key. Give it a moment, and we're now in the boot mode. So from here, again, you will use volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and you can do a couple things: boot to QMI, power off, recovery mode, which go back where we just were. Restart bootloader, just restarts where you are right now, and start, which goes back to Android. And whatever you select, you will then press power key to confirm it. I'm selecting start just to leave this mode. And let's give it a moment. And from here, we're back in Android, so I'm going to put in my pin for the SIM card, and there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.